Welcome, I'm Norman Kinsey with Liftoff Agent, and you're at our sign-up page, and thank you so much for your time and consideration on how to navigate the lockdown part 3, as this is the third event that we have done, and we're very excited about this event because the last couple of events we talked about title and mortgage and real estate professionals and how they're navigating during the lockdown during COVID-19, but now we want to bring in your real estate dream team, and we want to find out how home inspectors, moving companies, general contractors, escrow officers, loan officers, and also we're going to tie at the end Liftoff Agent and give you some techniques and best practices to market online. But how are these individuals, how are they navigating through these times? And we're really excited about the keynote speakers we have here. We have Cody, owns Brothers Inspection. He's been in the business for quite a while, 16 plus years, and he was for 9 years a player on the Pittsburgh Steelers as a professional NFL player. We have Don Lee with his moving company. We have Jason Bliss as a general contractor, and his actual company was featured on the Property Brothers TV show. We also have Jessica as our escrow officer. We have a mortgage professional. This individual has 114,000 followers on his Instagram page, Arjun, and then we also have myself, as I will be talking about best practices and techniques when marketing online. So scrolling down here, if you did not catch our last events, we have event 1 and 2 for you to watch if you would like to watch the events. First event had all male panelists. The second had all female panelists to give you guys and gals some different perspectives, and we would love for you to reserve your spot. This event is May 1st. That's going to be Friday. It's going to be from 11:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Zoom, so you can go ahead and have some lunch, tune in, and learn something new, and maybe, just maybe, these individuals who are our speakers may help you facilitate and help your business. They're all located here in the Greater Bay Area. So thank you so much. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on May 1st.